How to transfer contacts to a new LG phone. Congratulations on your new LG phone. To set it up, you'll want to transfer your data from your old phone to the new one, and that's easy. We'll show you how. On the old phone, first back up your data using the steps in the backup to Google videos linked in the description. After the data is backed up, go through the activation and setup on the new phone until it asks you to copy apps and data. At this point, tap on Next, then tap on a backup from the cloud. Sign in with your Google email and password that has your backup from your previous phone. On the next screen, choose either Skip or Yes, I'm in. On the screen after, choose I agree if you agree with the terms and conditions. This is required to restore the data. Tap on the backup to restore. Confirm your screen lock from your previous phone, if applicable. Then choose what content to restore from the options. That can include apps, call history, contacts, device settings, and SMS messages. Note that the options available will depend on what data you backed up previously. Also note that Google Calendar, Google Contacts, Photos, and Gmail are automatically synced and do not have checkboxes. Tap on Restore and wait for the restore to complete. This can take from a few minutes to an hour depending on the data connection speed and the amount of data to be restored. Thanks for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your new phone. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.